Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. A.S. Ebenezer, retired Chief Volleyball Coach of Sports Authority of India. In my previous video, I have talked about the essential equipments for the competition. In this video, I am going to talk about the necessary equipments for the volleyball players for the development of volleyball performance. The first equipment is the volleyball. The volleyball is highly necessary for the development of the beginners as well as the advanced volleyball players. So we have to choose the best volleyball for the beginners as well as the advanced players. So in this video I am going to talk about all the equipments of the volleyball training for the development of volleyball players performance. Next one is tennis ball. You are watching the tennis volleyball. In order to develop the attack power, we have to give the tennis ball to the beginners so that they will jump and spike the ball over the net, and they will get the releasing action, jumping action they will get it. But while they are hitting the ball, the releasing of the ball is very important, for which the tennis ball is highly important. The next one, you are watching the squeeze ball. The squeeze ball for the development of back strength and leg strength, and all the core muscles in the abdomen will be developed, for which squeeze ball also very much essential that we have to keep it in the training hall. Now you are watching the standard volleyball approved by the Federation International Volleyball, and this is the standard volleyball, and the color of the volleyball is normally in the international level and blue and yellow, but other colors also white and red and yellow with white background, and different colors also they are using for the different tournaments. For the approved international volleyball tournament, they are using only the blue and yellow color. Now you are watching the next equipment is the mixed volleyball. Mixed volleyball is very useful for the children. Very interestingly, very eagerly they will choose the ball and they will play mini volleyball. First of all, we have to start the mini volleyball. For the beginners, rolling the ball and tapping the ball and bouncing the ball. So all the all the basic drills we have to give to the small children, for which the small ball or the mini volleyball is highly essential. The next item is pump, needle and pressure kg. All the equipments we have to keep it at the time of the training time, so that whenever the ball is reduced, ball pressure is reduced, then we have to fill the air, and this equipment is highly necessary and we have to keep it in the equipment box. Now you are watching the equipment box. In the equipment box we will keep all the balls, pump, inflator and other necessary accessory equipments also. We will keep all the equipment box. So in the training hall we should have the equipment box. Next very important equipment is the ball trolley. During training time, the coach should have the ball trolley to continuously feed the ball to the attacker, continuously feed the ball to the blocker, continuously feed the ball to the server, so that the training will not be discontinued. So that the ball trolley is highly necessary in the training hall. Next one is volleyball post, volleyball pad, antenna and the side marker. Everything should be placed inside the training hall so that the training should not be disturbed. During training time, there is a chance of sweating of the players and the water will fall on the ground. So we have to keep the mop stick. Immediately after the players fall down, immediately somebody, the marker or somebody has to go and clean the area, so that the slippery or the accident will not happen. So that's why you have to keep the mopping stick in the indoor hall. Next one is for the players, towel, water bottle. It is highly necessary. So we have to keep all the necessary towels and other items we have to provide to the players, so that during the training time they will not be very tired. The next item is the gymnastic mattress. Gymnastic mattress we have to keep it inside the indoor hall for the diving purpose, rolling purpose, pancake and all these things. We have to use the gymnastic for the, especially for the beginners, small children. We have to use the mattress in order to avoid the injury. So this mattress we have to keep inside the indoor hall always. This is very important equipment. Next item is the wrist spring. The wrist spring is very important for the volleyball players to develop their finger strength while they are passing the ball. The finger is very important for the block also, for the attack also. The finger should be very strong, for which the spring mission is very important, and we have to use it for the players. Next one is iron shoe and sand weights. Sand weights and iron shoe we have to use it for the development of leg strength, arm strength, and while running also we can use it for the development of the player's performance. Next one is the weights, dumbbells you are watching. Different weight category we have to keep it inside the indoor hall. In the gym there should be from starting from 5 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg, 20 kg, 25, 30, 40, 50, like that. We can make use of all the weights for the development of the leg power, arm strength and chest muscle to be developed, and hamstring muscle and thigh muscle, and all the muscle, the strength. We have to make use of the weight training sets. So for which the players should do always 2 times a week. They have to do the weight training exercise. Next important equipment is the treadmill. During the rainy time we cannot run outside, we cannot do any exercise outside. Sometimes even the player is injured, this treadmill also they can utilize for the development of improvement movements and running movements and all these things. We can make use of the treadmill. Next item is the hurdles. There are different types of hurdles are there. Mini hurdles is there, medium type of hurdles is there, and normal hurdles is there. So for the development of jumping quality we can make use of the small hurdles, big hurdles and medium hurdles, and even if you want 90 centimeter height also we can improve. You can pull it upside for the development of jumping quality. So hurdles workout is very important for the players. We have to keep the equipments inside the training hall. Next one is the multi-gym. Multi-gym will have 8 station to 12 station. So the players utilize all the stations for the arm development, abdomen development, and the leg strength. All the exercise they can do it in a rotation order. We can make use of the circuit training also. So the multi-gym should be kept ready in the training hall. Next equipment is plastic ladder. Plastic ladder for the development of agility movements, for the development of leg movements, for the agile movements. So we have to use minimum 2 times a week for the development of agility exercise. Next exercise is the wall bar exercise. We have to keep it inside the indoor hall for the development of abdomen strength, leg strength and arm strength. So we have to keep the wall bar equipments. It should be placed in the wall in the training hall. Skipping rope is very much important for the development of jumping quality. The skipping workout very useful for the development of the jumping improvement. So we have to provide the skipping rope, the jumping quality. Next equipment is the elastic band for the development of the flexibility exercises, any type of flexibility exercise for the arms and the legs. By using this rubber band, we can improve the elastic strength. So the elastic band is to be kept inside the indoor hall. Next item is the vertical bar, vertical ring. This vertical ring is the development of the arm strength. So when the players are continuously doing the pull-ups in the vertical ring, the arm strength will be developed, so that it will be very useful for the jump and service and jump and attack. So that the vertical ring should be placed inside the training hall. Next item is the parallel bar. Parallel bar also, it will develop the arm strength of the players. So we have to train the players by giving the arm strength in the parallel bar. Both the vertical ring and horizontal ring and the parallel bar, all the equipment should be placed inside the training hall. Next item is the springboard. Springboard, especially the children will like the springboard. So we have to make use of the springboard for the development of jumping quality. So the balance and the jumping quality both will improve by using the springboard. Next important equipment is the jumping quality. So in order to improve the attack, so we have to make use of the attacking apparatus. It will be available in different models. So now you can observe all the models in the video. So whichever model is available in the market, we can purchase and we can fix it in the indoor hall, so that the development of jumping quality will improve. The approach and takeoff and the hitting action, all the action will be developed by using this machine. So now we are showing the different models. Whichever model is available, so we can make use of these equipments to the children. Next one is the training wall. It is not an equipment, but in the indoor hall itself, we can train the beginners by using the upper hand pass, underarm pass, service technique. All the skills will be developed through the training wall only. So in the indoor hall itself, we can utilize the area for the development of the basic skills. Now you are watching the service mission. Service mission also very much important, because the speed of the service will come in very much force from the mission, so that the receiver, they will receive the ball and send to the setters. So it will come in different directions. So the receiver and the libero, they have to get ready to receive the balls. So the service mission also should be kept ready inside the indoor hall for the development of reception and defense performance. Now you are watching the block pads. It is available in different models. So for the development of the attackers, they have to avoid the block and attack, or they have to have very high reach and attack the ball. The touch out, wipe out, and overreach and attack. And this apparatus, the blocking apparatus, is very much useful for the development of the attackers. Now you are watching the plyometric boxes for the development of the jumping quality. Depth jump and jump over the boxes and get down, and again jump over the boxes and get down, like that. We have to give the jump workouts, and it will be available in different sizes, starting from 15 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 45 centimeter, 60 centimeter, and even 90 centimeter. So different type of boxes we should keep it in the indoor hall for the development of jumping quality. Next one, you are watching the accuracy apparatus, for which the service or the settings or the first pass and all these things, we have to put it inside the net, so that the player's accuracy will develop. So this type of equipment also we can keep it inside the training hall for the improvement of the performance of the players. Now you are watching the players equipment. It is not connected with the training aspect, but however the player should have all the training equipments, all the players equipment such as knee pad and elbow pad and the fingers, for the safety of the fingers they should have the guard, finger guard, then the headband. During tournament time, the competition time, the sweating should not fall on the ears, so that they can wear the headbands. So all the jersey, shorts, shoes and grip bandages, all the equipments they have to keep it inside the bags. So that's why I am showing all the important equipments, especially the players equipment. They should be kept inside the indoor hall, or they can bring from their own and they'll keep it inside the dressing room. Next one is you are watching the measuring tape. Measuring tape is very much essential for measuring the vertical jump, measuring the broad jumps, and measuring the performance of the individual arm length and hip sizes and chest sizes and all these things. We have to make use of the measuring tape. Very next important equipment is the stopwatch. Stopwatch, we have to use it for the find out the speed of the players, and we can use it during the competition time also. If any drill is given to the children and within the specific time they have to complete the workout, for which the stopwatch is very much essential. So we have to keep the stopwatch, measuring tape, all the equipments we have to keep it inside the equipment box. The next important equipment is the computer. The computer we have to keep it inside the training hall for the match analysis or the performance analysis, and the players name, chest number and date of birth and all the details, address proof and all these things we have to keep inside the computer for the development of the sports performance. Next one, you are watching the water can facilities. So inside the indoor hall we have to keep the water, cooling water or the purified water, so that the players whenever they are getting tired they can make use of these water facilities. Next important item is the first aid boxes. We have to keep it inside the training hall. In case of injury, immediately we have to give first aid treatment to the players. Sometimes the ankle injury, head injury, shoulder injury, sprain, all this injury will happen during the training period. So we have to keep the first aid box with the proper medicines inside the box. So finally, the very important equipment is the generator. In case of power failure during training time, the generator we have to make use of it to continue the training program. So generator also we have to place it in the training hall. You have watched all the information regarding the training, all the equipments. I have shown all the training equipments which is available in and around the world. So if any new equipments is coming also, we can make use of it. So maximum possibilities of equipments I am showing in this video, and make use of it and improve your performance. Good luck.